Okay guys, so thicknesses, minimum wall thicknesses, and how to quickly identify it. We've done this a few times, but we've got new staff and we've maybe forgotten. We have all the tools we need to not have these problems. All right, I'm going to show you a way that I cheat in Blender because Rhino's thickness analysis tools can be slow and painful. But let's do it the proper way. So the proper way in Rhino is you highlight the part, you run thickness analysis. Okay, it'll pop up a little thing. If you set it to 0.2 being an absolute bare minimum we can cast, and then set your blue as 1, it just means you can quickly look inside there, and anything that you see red is most likely not going to survive casting. It's as easy as that. It's pretty quick. However, it can be slow. Be careful if you put it in a rendered mode. It will really slow things down. You see that? Okay, so keep yourself in a shaded mode. It tends to work faster because all you're really looking after is this section here. Which part is red, and am I going to have a problem with it? All right, so if you see deep red like that, you need to stop. You need to speak to the customer. You need to speak to your manager. Send the file to me. Have a look at it. All right, because we're just going to waste our time trying to cast it. The customer's going to have a bad experience. In this case, it was a customer problem. They drew this file, but they're expecting us to be the experts. They're expecting us to know how to find this problem and let them know before we produce it. All right, so using Blender is a lot faster. You already all have Blender. You use it for wash mesh. Open your Blender, press the tab key or click on object mode and go into edit mode. You can just press I'm going to import a file quickly. So file, import, STL, cancel, where are we, desktop, the test part. There it is. So in Blender you have a view mode like this, and if you press the tab key it'll take you through to an edit mode, and you see how mine instantly colored. Just the fact that I imported it, I instantly could see the issue that we have over here with the thin section. All right. So the remainder of this tutorial is going to be how you can set up your Blender to automatically show you thin sections on import. Okay. So I'm going to delete that part. I'm going to press tab to get out of there. I'm going to press the delete key to get out. There should be nothing on your screen. All right. Sorry, my mistake. Let's go back. You need something on the screen. Press tab to go through to your edit mode. Then in the top right over here, you see where the little two balls are. Show overlays. Tap down on that. At the very bottom, you're going to see a little tick called Mesh Analysis. Tick Mesh Analysis. There's a drop down. Select thickness. Set your minimum to 0.1. Set your maximum to 1. And then you're done. You will get this view moving forward. All right. We now need to save our Blender so we don't have to do that every single time. So now you can press tab. You can highlight the part. You can delete it. Go to File. Go to Defaults and click Save Startup File. Click Save Startup File again. And now every time you open your Blender, when you import a part and you press tab, you'll automatically see the parts that are too thin. It's very, very, very fast. Okay guys, cheers, bye.